G'day, welcome to the Simple Cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make coconut flour banana bread muffins. So yummy, nice and healthy, but so yummy. Let's go.
Simple Cooking Channel.
Alright, you want to add 5 eggs. Without shells. Teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mush up 2 ripe bananas. Add that. Add half a cup of coconut flour. I'm using organic coconut flour. Now add about 1/4 cup of coconut oil. You want it to be softened a little bit. Now if you can't get, don't want to use coconut oil, you can use butter. You can use butter. And add a teaspoon of baking soda. Now get a baking tin, for cupcakes or muffins. Grease it and put the mixture in. Now we just heat this in the oven for about 15 to 18 minutes. We just want it to be lightly browned on top and set in the middle. Now leave them here to cool down before you take them out and eat, unless you're into burning your mouth. Some people are into that. Now this is optional. You can put a bit of cinnamon sugar on top. Well, I hope you like these. Yummy. Well, that mixture made 9 of these. Each one of these has 144 calories, so not too bad. No, I want that one. Holy moly, mother much. So yummy. I'll see you next time for my next meal.
Simple